and welcome back to Geekpandatech. So today we have something a little bit different from the company Cheeeese. Now they make a ultrasonic toothbrush, so let's get into the box and see what we have. Now this is the first video I'm using my brand new Geekpandatech knife, so let's put it to the test and let's see. Lovely. Just gotta get that in there again. There we go. So of course this is the box. So you've got Cheeeese Ultra Clean Electric Toothbrush. This is the black model. They supply 3 replacement brush heads and it lasts for 300 days per charge. Now that is an incredible stat because nobody wants to be charging their electric toothbrush anymore. So ultrasonic toothbrush, 3 brush heads, a travel bag, Type-C fast charging cable, and on the back, so it's magnetic levitation sonic motor, duo bristles, up to 37,000 times a minute, that's incredible, 3 cleaning modes, full body washing, so it's IPX7 rated, it's got a lighting effect, 30 seconds smart pause mode, and 2-minute smart timer, and as it's already said, long lasting battery life. And that is it for around the box, so let's get in and let's see what's inside. There we go. And there we have it, the 3 different types of bristles, all in these protective carry cases. Let's have a little closer look. There we go. So it looks like it's got some little silicone bristles on the back for cleaning your tongue. Those carry cases are really smart. I like those. And then we have the toothbrush itself, the main unit. A little protective cap over the connector. And then on this side, the travelling pouch. Nice little magnetic lid, and your charging cable comes inside there. So it's USB Type A to USB Type C. Some little foam inside there. And the instruction manual. So we've got the important safeguards, about me. Then we've got some instructions on the brush itself. So the brush head, the switch button, the mode indicator, marquee effect, battery indicator light, and USB charging port. So battery status. So it will provide 10 to 12 months of standby each time fully charged. And then we've got some descriptions of each brush. So we've got the 3D clean brush head. So it's got USA DuPont bristles, medium feel, size standard, 3D intensive design. So you've got the smart clean brush head, which after 3 months the colour will start to fade. And then you've also got, which is the same as the top one by the looks of it, but then you've also got the Japanese super soft bristles. So I assume these are the 2 standard ones. Then this will be the colour changing one, so I'm assuming these colours will change over 3 months. And then this one must be the super soft, yeah, super soft. Just see on the ends the grey is a bit lighter. And then warranty information. So you get 2 years from the date of purchase. There you go. There's a Q&A section, daily maintenance, some instructions for how you should clean your teeth, depending on your age and whatnot. So let's get this on charge, put it together, and I'll show you what it can do. So now that the toothbrush is all charged up, I just wanted to show you a couple of things about the actual toothbrush. So we've got our head here, this is the standard head, and to attach it we simply just line up the flat edge on the top of there with the flat edge on the side of here and push it in, and it just locks in and it maintains a super grip on there, so that's really nice. Now, checking the USB-C charging, so you've got one panel here on the back which you just peel off, and then you've got a secondary seal in there just to cover the USB-C, and it does have a little label in there, please keep dry, so we'll pop that back on. Now that can be a little bit fiddly, but with the sake of only charging it once every year pretty much, I think I'll be able to manage. Just pop that back in there, and now we'll have a little look at the modes on the toothbrush. So obviously we've got the main power button just on the front, and if we press that, the little animation shoots up, and obviously we've got our battery indicator down there and our power indicator at the top. So we're on power 3, which is absolutely crazy. It's going like the clappers, as we can see. It's vibrating side to side like mad there. So we'll press that off and we'll press it again. Yeah, power 3 again, and if we press it once more, we go down to power 1, which is a lot softer. That's quite nice. And then power 2 is again pretty crazy, but not as bad. Gives you a nice medium clean. And then if we press it once more, go back up to level 3, which again is just, the speed on that is just crazy. That's going to give you a real super clean, and the nice oscillation on the top and sides that's going to get in. That's going to help get into all of those nooks and crannies. So yeah, I expect this to work really well. I'll be very impressed if it lasts on that mode up to 300 days, because that's a crazy amount of power output that they're doing there. So one other thing I wanted to go through, so we've got our travel case. You've got enough room in the travel case, if we pop on the little protector again, to pop the toothbrush in the bottom, and you've got enough room to carry up to 2 heads, because if you've got a fully charged unit, the 2 heads should outlast the actual toothbrush itself. I think that's a really smart travel case. Or obviously you've got enough room in there for a little travel toothpaste if you're staying away, so plenty enough room in there just to have a little bit of travel toothpaste in the very top. And then you've got everything you need really set up, ready to go in this nice little magnetic case. So Cheeeese did reach out to me, and they supplied me with a 30% off code for my subscribers and followers. So if you are interested in the toothbrush, I can offer you a discount of 30% off with the code GEEK30. That's capital G EEK 30 off at their website, which I will link down below along with the code as well. So if you're interested and you want to get involved, 30% off for an electric toothbrush that will last you 300 days. Now I will come back and make another little short video at some point next year, seeing whether this has lasted 300 days, which is going to be incredible. So if you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe if you like what I do. So thank you very much, have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.